Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Moto Detail Behind the Build. As you can see behind me, we've got a very special reveal today. This is our 1971 Beetle project name, Sick Dub, that we've had in the shop for over a year. Today we're going to be doing the reveal to the customer. He hasn't seen it at all. He gave us full creative freedom from day one. So this is a super exciting day for us. It's been a lot of hours, a lot of hard work for the team here, but today is finally the day. So follow us on this journey of revealing this amazing 1971 Beetle project name, Sick Dub. Andrew,
Hi.
The man, the myth, the legend himself. How are you?
Oh my goodness, good to see you.
Good to see you. You excited?
I'm so excited. It's
Yeah?
been so long.
Got undercover. It's been a year in the making.
Yeah.
Come on in.
Okay, let's go.
How are you, buddy? You all right?
Yeah, I'm all good.
Yeah? You guys excited to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna go pull off the covers. Exciting, here we go. I'm gonna pull off the covers for you. This is your 1971 Beetle project name, Sick Dub. What do you guys think?
It's insane.
It is craziness. Is this was it?
This is it. This is the
Are
one
you sure
from
this
a
is
year
not-
ago.
Are you sure this is not someone else's car?
No, this is it. This is what we've done. What do you think?
Oh,
It's perfect.
Yeah?
it's incredible. Look at it.
It's amazing, eh? Super
You can see
shiny.
your face in it.
That's
So
what it is.
what we've done is we've repainted the wheels, we've replaced all of the brakes, the suspension and the engine. We've done a custom colour change on it, so a one-of-one orange.
Yeah.
We've pinstriped everything.
orange.
It is orange. It is as orange as you can get. We've gone custom pinstripes on there. We've gone full chrome delete and gone orange and black theme. Got you some nice custom V-dub graphics. We've applied 35% tint, which is all road legal, but it's that nice darker tint, so it makes it pop. Also protects you guys for summer. If we come around the front, you can see all of the headlights are being redone. Bumpers being redone, super glossy, new smoked out indicators, everything's been smoked out. Same with all of the chrome badges have all been done black. We've got an amazing tidy front storage which we've now matched for the interior. Got a leather gas tank cover which looks unreal. And tidied all the cables up, plenty of storage in there. Plenty of
Is that all
storage.
new electrics too?
All new electrics, full electrics. The whole car's been rewired, the whole thing, which is amazing. We're super happy with that. Let's walk around the back, show you guys the engine. Whoa, look at that.
Hey, yeah, it's new.
It's brand flipping new. It is all, it's basically rebuilt, so it looks new, but it's fully rebuilt. You can't buy these engines, so the guys at Qualitat helped us over the last couple of months fully restore this thing back. It runs so smooth, all new parts, and it's just the frame and the hardware work that is original. We smoked out the lights, same with the rear bumper, tidied everything for you to match the front. It looks unreal in my opinion.
Yeah, so cool.
Yeah, it is.
So what do you guys think of the outside?
It's amazing.
Yeah, I just can't believe it's the same car. I'm still like in war. I don't. The other thing was just a rust bucket, and
Yeah.
it's so smooth. It's so clean.
All right, let's show you guys the interior, right?
Alright.
Okay, what do you think of the interior?
Oh, look at this. It's new. It's
It's way different than last time I saw the interior.
oh my god.
Yeah. So we've got diamond stitched floors, leather diamond stitched floors, matching the leather diamond stitched ceiling, as well as the headrests. We've also gone leather diamond stitched door cards, everything. You've got leather and Alcantara suede seats, and we've gone for that orange and black theme on the inside. We've also given you a 7-inch touchscreen display, which has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So a bit of modern technology in a 1971 Beetle, which is quite cool. Do you want to push that little button right there? Down there? Yep.
This one?
There you go.
There's
You've
your
got a nice
horn.
little new horn.
Hey.
And do you want to push the thing on the side? And then we can play some music.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, push that. We also built you a custom speaker box in the back, which is also covered in leather and diamond stitched. So you've got 4 speakers in the back, 2 tweeters in the front.
What a sound!
I know, right?
Sounds pretty clear, right?
Oh
Yeah,
my
definitely.
gosh, super clean. The speakers everywhere.
Yeah, you got 2 tweeters down the bottom there, and you got 2 tweeters in the back and 2, what are they, 9 inches? Yep, in the rear as well.
Nice. That is a sound system.
It is. We've also given you, if you want to flick that light switch back 1, we've given you some interior lights,
Oi.
LED, which are quite
Look at
nice, very bright, and you can pull that back and that turns on the headlights and everything, which is all out the front.
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Wow.
So what do you think of the interior?
It's fresh. It's dope.
Perfect.
Yeah, does it match the outside?
Yeah, I think it's like it supersedes the outside. Like it's even better. I can't believe like how new it all feels and smells, and it's just like everything's just perfectly stitched, and it's beyond belief. Like seriously, Ben, this is incredible.
Worth the wait?
Yeah, I can't get over it.
Definitely.
I'm speechless.
Same.
Hey, this is going to be a cruise mobile this summer, eh? Awesome.
Beach hop, here we come.
Yeah, beach hop, here we come.
Yep.
All right, so what do you think? Overall, happy?
Yeah, it's just amazing. It's like, yeah, what do you think?
It used to be completely dusty and rusty, but now it's a completely amazing. I'm completely shocked of how well you've done this. Very good job.
The Moto detail you guys have just done, like, I'm overwhelmed. It's beyond anything I could ever hope for, so thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you for trusting us for the whole process and letting us have some creative freedom. It's been an absolute pleasure. Here's the keys.
Here it is.
Moto detail keychain.
Give me some knuckles. Boom.
All right, you guys can hop in it. Get out here, enjoy the weekend. Thank you so much, Andrew.
Thank you, Ben. Thanks,
And,
guys.
yeah.
Thank you, Moto detail.
Thank you.
And that about does it for this episode of Moto Detail Behind the Build. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you to Andrew again for trusting in us to deliver him an absolutely amazing piece of art. We loved working on it. So if you know anyone or you want to get something customized like his V-Dub, like Andrew's V-Dub, reach out, send us a DM. But as always, guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you're watching this on Facebook or social or TikTok or Instagram or whatever it is, don't forget to follow, and we'll catch you guys in the next episode.